my name's Ashley with Daven Corp, and today I'm featuring the Razor Welder. It is a 3-in-1 machine. It does MIG, TIG, and stick. Right now we got it set up to the MIG. We're running 110 off a 50-foot extension cord right now, and it's also good for 220, which the kit comes with both adapters for either or. It comes with the stick holder right here, which we'll demonstrate later, and we have the spool gun. And right now I'm going to demonstrate the MIG on the 110. So we still have the MIG gun plugged in. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up for stick. So you take this out, the sensor, and we're going to plug the rod stinger in, and you flip from MIG to MMA, and then you just set your amperage. And we are still running off 110 on a 50-foot extension cord. Okay, here we go. I'm going to demonstrate to you. This is the TIG torch that comes with the machine. It doesn't come with the package, but it's an add-on that you can get for it. Demonstrate how easy it is to change it. So you're going to take out, we were just stick welding, take out the stick electrode. You're going to change your negative to where your rod holder just was. Take your TIG torch, plug it right up top to the negative. And then you run your gas hose to where we right now have our argon CO2 hooked up for the MIG welding. It's easy as that.